In previous video, I show you how to use the conditional rendering to show the list of packing list with the tick if this is already done, right? So here we have already used the if condition as well as using the ternary operator with the question mark and also the colon as well. And down here we have if it is packed. If it's true, then we show the tick, right? If that's true, we show the tick. The same for the if condition as well. If it's true, then we want to show the tick here. So today, I want to show you another way, right, to achieve the same result, but not using this format, the ternary operator or the if condition. Instead, we are going to use the logical AND operator. So to achieve this, we will still use the return, and we use the same tag. And inside here, this will be just the name. And right here, this will be is packed. Okay, so if that is true, and we will show the tick. Okay, as simple as that. So let's have a look, see if we have that result. Yep, here it is. So why or how does it work? So basically, we want to show the name. We don't need to check for anything. It just show everything from here, right? If we have tens of the items, then it will just show 10 of this. And what it really check is right here using the logical AND operator. So if that is packed, if it is true, then we will show the tick after the name. If not, then it just skip this one, not showing anything, it's just empty. Okay. So yep, that's how it works. And so far you have seen that we have used 3 different formats to achieve the same result. One is using the if condition, second is using the ternary operator, and finally we are using the logical AND operator.